Hey makers, choosing the right CAD software for 3D printing can make or break your project. Today we're comparing SolidWorks and Fusion 360 in a quick showdown. Let's dive in. First up, we have SolidWorks. It's a pro-level CAD software loved by engineers for its precision. It's parametric so you can tweak designs easily. And its Print 3D tool generates STL files for 3D printing. SolidWorks shines with complex assemblies and advanced simulations, but it's Windows only and pricey, starting at around $39.95 plus maintenance fees. Next up, we have Fusion 360. This cloud-based CAD/CAM tool from Autodesk is beginner-friendly and versatile. It supports parametric, freeform, and mesh modeling, making it great for organic shapes. Fusion 360 integrates seamlessly with 3D printing workflows and explores STL or OBJ files. It's cross-platform, works on Mac and Windows, and costs about $680 per year with free options for students and hobbyists. So, how do they stack up for 3D printing? Well, SolidWorks is a powerhouse for detailed, assembly-driven designs, perfect for professional engineers working on intricate parts. Its simulation tools are top-notch, but the high cost and steep learning curve can be a hurdle. Fusion 360, on the other hand, is more accessible with gentler learning curve and cloud-based collaboration. It's ideal for hobbyists, small businesses, and those needing quick prototypes or sculpting tools. Here's a quick chart to break it down. SolidWorks is better for complex professional projects, while Fusion 360 wins for affordability and ease of use. Choose based on your budget and project needs. That's it, guys. SolidWorks for precision, Fusion 360 for flexibility, and drop a comment with your favorite CAD tool, and happy printing.